Question 9 is binomial expansion. You do get the formula, so make sure you have a look on the formula sheet. So, I mean, you get the formula, but obviously you need to thoroughly understand it. It's not going to be enough just to look it up when you're in the exam. So let's just jot it down here. Okay, and in fact it only wants the first 3 terms, so that takes me up to the first 3 terms. So what's that going to be for us? So it's going to be 2 to the power of 9 plus, from 9 choose 1. Now that is just 9, so if you don't have to write the 9 choose 1 for that. And then a will be to the power of n minus 1, so the power of a reduces by 1 each time. And then just be very careful with b, because we've got a minus and then it's also a fraction. Okay, so we definitely need to use brackets. And then from 9 choose 2, 2 to the power of 7, and minus x over 16 squared. Okay, so then 2 choose 9, that can just go, sorry, not 2 choose 9, 2 to the power of 9, so that can just go straight to the calculator. So 512, and then 9 choose 1, times 2 to the power of 8, and then divided by, or times by 1/16, or divided by 1 over 16. And you can either use minus a 16th, or what I tend to do is just look at that and say, well, look, there's, in that whole term, there's only one negative, so when you're multiplying through, if you've got one negative, your final answer will be negative. Okay, then for the second term, we've got 9 choose 2 times 2 to the power of 7, and then just be very careful here. So that's going to be multiplied by 1 minus 1/16 all squared. So do use brackets there. Okay, and then that should give you 18. And because this time we're squaring the negative, that's going to be plus 18x squared. And obviously it would carry on, but we've only been asked to find the first 3 terms, and we've been asked to give them in their simplest form, so obviously none of them have ended up as fractions, so there's nothing there that we need to simplify.